Hello beautiful people, welcome to dear Genee's diary. Today we are making some coffee chocolate cake with Oreo decorating. So lately B's favorite cake is chocolate cake, and I like to make it a variety for him. And today this is what we are making. This cake is absolutely delicious and it goes so well with the Oreo cookies. It is soft and moist. Oh my gosh, you are gonna love it. Just check this out. Look at how the fork cuts through it so easily, and oh my gosh, you are going to enjoy it. So if you are interested in this chocolate cake, then stay tuned and let's get started. So I'm using coconut oil for this recipe. I went ahead and scooped out my coconut oil and then melted it to the measurements. And then this is the coconut oil I'm using. It has no smell at all of coconut oil. It's just no smell whatsoever. So I really love it for recipes. As always, the full list of the ingredients will be in the description box for you. Okay, so let's get our dry ingredients together. We've got our measured out flour, adding the cocoa powder, and then we're gonna add our sugar and the rest of the dry ingredients. Mix it up and get it ready to add to the wet ingredients. If it is your first time here, you're warmly welcome to dear Genee's diary. Thank you for clicking on our video and watching it. I hope you do enjoy it and you consider subscribing. And for my old subscribers or new subscribers or my subscribers, I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with us, for coming back to watch our videos, for your comments and your love. You know how much I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. So we're adding our dry ingredients in bits and making sure that it's thoroughly mixed before we add the next. We want to avoid having lumps and clumps in our batter. So halfway through, I'm going to add my buttermilk just to get the mixture a bit loose again, and then continue on adding the dry ingredients. Now that our buttermilk is well incorporated, we are going to add the rest of our dry ingredients. After that, we are going to add our hot coffee. You can make instant hot coffee for this recipe, or you can use freshly brewed hot coffee. It's up to you. I don't drink coffee, so I don't brew coffee. The only coffee I have around is instant coffee for my visitors, so that's what I'm using. And yes, it makes this recipe so moist and it gives it this intense color and enhances the chocolatiness of the chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, you should try this. Once the coffee has thoroughly mixed with the rest of the mixture and the mixture is ready to go, very simple. So let's butter our tins, line them up, and then just basically pour the mixture into our tins. You can make this into 3 layers, which is beautiful as well, or you can make it into 2 layers. I'm just making 2 layers here. Once you're done, you can just swirl through, or mix it just to release all bubbles and things in the mixture, and that's it. I'm now going to add my dry ingredients, which are the cocoa powder, the icing sugar, and a bit of salt. I'm going to mix this slowly until all of it has thoroughly mixed with the batter. Now, halfway through our dry and wet ingredient mixture, I'm just going to add my heavy cream, so it will allow the mixture to loosen up a little bit before we add the rest of the dry ingredients. Once you've got all your dry ingredients in there, allow it to mix thoroughly, and your chocolate buttercream is ready for icing. Our cake is now ready. We are going to leave it in the tin for a little while and allow it to cool before we take it out. After decorating, pop your cake into the fridge for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes, an hour before serving to allow it to set. Now check out B's cutting skills. Mommy had to step in and help him out. The cake is now ready for serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and share our videos. Subscribe if you still haven't yet. Thank you. And until next time, bye for now. I hope to see you again really soon. Now look at this gorgeousness of a cake. Why would you not want to try it? Let us know when you do. And please check in the description box. We have our other social media platforms on there, like Instagram, follow us on Instagram, and let's continue the fun over there. Until next time, bye for now.